Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming Auto Hide is enabled. Open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar and toggle Automatically Hide the taskbar. Once done, scan the system tray for any notification icons. Active alerts force the bar to stay visible. Next, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and restart it to reload the UI. This often fixes transient issues without rebooting. If notifications vanish and Explorer Restart re-enables Auto Hide, move on to deeper checks. Now address apps and display factors that interfere. Close any overlay apps, chat, game overlays, screen recorders, or GPU utilities, because overlays signal Windows to keep the taskbar visible. Make sure display scaling is compatible. Set to 100% or evaluate your app's support and test full screen again. If you use multiple monitors, ensure the correct monitor is set as primary and confirm taskbar options for all displays. Once overlays are closed and scaling is set, full screen should behave normally, otherwise continue. Finally, install the latest GPU and display drivers. Outdated drivers can break full screen detection. If a recent app caused the problem, reinstall or remove it. For persistent configuration problems, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, or create a new user profile to isolate corrupted settings. After making changes, reboot and test full screen. If it still fails, focus on notifications. Clear or mute persistent alerts. One stuck notification is a common culprit that.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.